Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into Applid. Apple. Come with the Apple ID whose email you want to remove. Make sure you have a trusted device or phone number ready for two-factor authentication because Apple will prompt for verification. Once signed in, review and back up any iCloud data tied to that email. You're changing account identifiers, not deleting data yet. Also confirm alternate contact emails or phone numbers exist. You now edit the reachable email addresses under account settings. If the primary email is a third-party address, add and verify a replacement address first. Apple won't let you orphan an account. After adding and verifying the new email, select Remove beside the old address and follow the verification flow. Check the inbox for a code and enter it. Take your time with verification because incomplete steps can leave the account tied to the original email. You finish by confirming the new primary email on your account and then signing out of devices where the old email was used. Sign back in with the updated address to ensure everything syncs. If you're locked out during the process, initiate account recovery and use any trusted phone or device to speed resolution, because recovery can take days. If recovery stalls or verification emails never arrive, contact Apple support for guided help. Don't repeat risky steps that could complicate recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.